Hey guys, it's Brian with Beastride DIY. Welcome to the Home Depot website. I'm going to talk about some December deals they have going on some tools. First up, we have this M18 18-volt lithium-ion XC starter kit. It has two 5 amp hour batteries and charger. 5 stars with over 3,000 reviews. It's $199. So you're saving $198. This is 50% off. You're getting two red lithium XC5 batteries and then the M18 and M12 multi-voltage charger. It says these work more efficiently with a fuel gauge that displays runtime, and they also have the Red Link technology for performance protection. You can get 3 instead of 2, but it's not going to be the same deal. Next is this M18 18-volt lithium-ion brushless compact hammer drill and impact combo kit. It's a 2-tool kit with 2 batteries and a contractor bag. This is $299. Now, when you buy this kit, you're going to get one of these for free. The half-inch hammer drill driver, quarter-inch hex 3-speed impact driver, 2 batteries, charger, and the bag. Now from Ryobi, you're going to get this 18-volt lithium-ion starter kit with 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and charger. This is going to be 51% off. You're saving more than you're spending. So you're saving 104, you're going to spend 99. And when you buy this, you're going to get one free gift. Now off to the right, you can click where it says free gift with purchase, and it drops down this menu. And you can see all the different gifts you can get. I'm going to go over these in a different one as well. But this is the Ryobi starter kit. So, and they also do a lot of these with the free shipping, but check on each page to verify that. And then next we have this 18-volt brushless cordless half-inch drill driver and impact driver kit. And then you're going to get 2 amp hour batteries, or two 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and contractor bag. And you also get to select one of these free gifts: a compact blower, 18-volt angle grinder, LED spotlight tool. Now these are the tool only, but you're getting the battery pack, so it doesn't really matter. Reciprocating saw and extra battery, a circular saw, a cat finish sander, or a handheld vacuum tool. Now these have over 800 reviews, and these have a 5-star rating. And go ahead and leave a like on this video, guys. It does help the algorithm, and comment below if you do find something you might want to pick up. From Dewalt, you got this 20-volt max lithium-ion 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery and charger starter kit. And with this, again, you're going to buy this and get a free gift. So we go over to the right here, where you're going to click free gift with purchase, and you get to select from these tools. You're going to get the router, a 6 amp hour battery pack, or another 6 amp hour battery, a circular saw, a job site blower, reciprocating saw, hammer tool, a planer tool, 3¼ inch planer, impact driver, cordless brushless screw gun, or the rotary drywall cutoff tool. And that one is $319. Now this is from Makita. It's an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery charger and starter pack. It's a 4 amp hour kit. So same kind of thing. You get the 2 amp hour the 2 batteries, charger, and you get a free gift. And that's $199 for that. Now from Rigid, I like Rigid. You buy one, you get a free gift. This is $149. And this is the 18-volt max starter kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries and charger. Now this one is 52% off. So you're only paying $149. You're saving $159. And then you're going to get this free kit plus a free gift. And you get to select between the angle grinder, 6-port charger, job site radio, cordless job site blower, inflator tool, cutoff tool, sander, 6.5-inch circular saw, or the one-handed multi-material saw. Of course, those are tool onlys, but you get the free batteries too. Now, this is the M18 Milwaukee 9-tool combo kit. It comes with 2 batteries, charger, and tool bag. So here you're saving $600 if that's the real price on that. You're saving 50%. And these are all the tools. They have the impact driver, circular saw, torque impact wrench, hacksaw, reciprocating saw, LED light, and the compact blower. Now, the cool thing with this is you can select how many tools you want. So with this deal, of course, you're getting the best deal, but you can select 7, 4, or 5. And the 4 or 5 tool deals, those are the same price. They're both $299, but it just depends which tools you want in the kit. But this one, the $599, that's going to be a 50% savings where you're saving $600. Now from Milwaukee, again, you've got this oscillating multi-tool kit with one 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. This you're saving $100, you're only paying 99, essentially a $50 savings on this one. And this has the all Metal Gear case as well for the extra protection. Now from Ryobi, you're getting the 18-volt cordless 6-tool combo kit with 1.5 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and charger. So this one's only $199. You're saving $100, which is a 33% savings. And you're getting the drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, LED light contractor bag, battery, and charger. And you can, of course, with this one, you can select how many you want, but I think the best deal is the one shown. Now from Dewalt, you've got this Atomic 20-volt max lithium-ion cordless combo kit. It's a 2-tool kit with two 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, and a bag. This is $149. It's going to be an $80 savings at 35% off. And this shows everything here. Now from Dewalt, you've got the 20-volt max tough system kit, which is the lithium-ion 6-tool cordless combo kit. And you're getting everything pictured here. You're getting the case with all the tools, the chargers, and this is $499. You're saving $250. That's a 33% off savings. They're saying it's a $1,400 value. And it looks like from the stars, it's over 5,000 star ratings, as well as free delivery as well. So a pretty good, decent deal on that. Now from DeWalt is this 15 amp corded 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. And this also has a blade wrench and material clamp. This has 5-star reviews with over 3,900 ratings, and you're saving $200. It's $399. It was $599 on this one. And delivery. But let me know in the comments if you know a little bit better than I do. Now from Milwaukee is this lithium-ion 3/8 of an inch ratchet and 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring combo kit. That's a mouthful. At $299, so you're saving $200 at 40% off. And you're getting the impact wrench, ratchet, and everything pictured there. Now from Ryobi, you're getting this 18-gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer. Now keep in mind this is the tool only, but it's a savings of 29% off. You're saving $40. It's going to come out to $99. And they're saying this sinks 2-inch nails into hardwood and is their lightest cordless brad nailer. Now from Milwaukee, you're getting this M18 compact drill driver kit. Comes with one 2-amp-hour battery, charger, and tool bag. Now this is only $99. You're saving $100, which is 50% off. This has about, looks like 4.7 stars out of 874 ratings. And you're getting everything pictured there. You're getting the contractor bag as well. And you can select tool only, but the deal is on the actual kit. Now from DeWalt is this 20-volt max cordless brushless oscillating multi-tool with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger. This you're saving $100, so it's 50% off at $99. And this does have that quick change accessory system, which allows the quick blade changes and the dual grip speed trigger as well on this one. And it looks like 4.7 stars with over 2,000 ratings. Now, keeping on the same field with Milwaukee, you're getting this M18 Sawzall. It's a reciprocating saw with the 8-amp-hour battery pack. And that's going to be $209. This is a special buy. You're saving $230, which is 52% off. But this one only lasts, it looks like 12 more hours. So it says 12 hours and 42 minutes. But by the time this video comes out, of course, will be less. Now from Husky is this mechanics tool set. It's a 270-piece set, highly rated. $99. It's going to be 50% off. You're saving $100. It was $199. This has 117 sockets, 8 combo wrenches, three extension sets, and 142 more tools. And then it says the hard storage case includes a spot for everything, and it has full polished chrome as well on it. From Milwaukee, you're getting these 25-foot compact magnetic tape measures. It's a 2-pack for $19. You're saving 57%. This was $45. And they're saying this has a really stiff blade and it remains stiff at 12 feet. So you can measure a lot of things by yourself without issue here. Now, next up, we have this Milwaukee 3/8 of an inch drive SAE metric ratchet and socket mechanics tool set. This is a 56-piece set at $99. It's a 48% off savings. It was $189. And this is sporting the 90 tooth design with 4 degrees of arc. So basically, it's going to be nice for more tighter spaces. And it has an inner tray which can lift out. So if you need to access that without being burdened by the little case flapping, you can do that too. Now, these are the Stanley Fat Max tape measures. It's a 2 pack of 25-foot tape measures for $24. This is 38% off. So you're saving 15 bucks on these. And these have 14 feet of reach to get measurements on your own and extended tape life with that blade armor coating. I know I've had one of these for, it feels like over 20 years. Now from Bosch is this 50-foot dual power battery red beam self-leveling cross-line laser level. This is going to be 38% off at $49. Now this takes double A batteries or a lithium ion battery, I believe. And this is job site tough with the IP55 rating with the rubber on the outside. So basically, if you drop it, it's going to be protected if it's got that protective housing on it. So thanks so much, guys, for watching this video, and check out this next one.